Hi YouTube and welcome to another build showcase video. In this one we're making a natural leather handbag. We will be using these templates and natural vegetable tan leather which has already been oiled and dyed. If you want to make a mini bag like this yourself, there will be a full step-by-step video available with PDF patterns on 22nd of April. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing as it helps this channel grow. First things first, I cut out all needed pieces and prepare for work. I will note that we will not thin the leather this time, which will save us a lot of time, but the stitching will compensate for it. Now the tedious part, using the templates carefully and accurately mark and punch out all stitching holes before doing any further assembly. Again, make sure that all holes are even, because if not, it will be a hassle to stitch the bag later on. After you've done that, time to prepare the edges. Since I do not want to dye them, instead I chose to bevel and finish them with toconol. This will give the edges that cool traditional and shiny look. I will be using gold colored accessories here. So firstly, we add one side of magnetic snaps and glue in the one and only piece that will be covering them. Then we glue and stitch in the zipper part. Then the stitching begins. Firstly, we deal with the lock part, which is covering the snaps. Afterwards, we add the D-rings and secure them as well. After all that, I add the other half of the snaps and start assembling the bag. First, we attach the flaps. Then we move on one side of the bag. Make sure to be careful here as each and every hole matters and it is important to use the right ones, pun intended. After one side is done, time to attach the front flap to the main body like shown here. When that is done, we attach the sides to the top like so. And now we begin the most tedious part of the build, as it will be less and less space to access the needles, so take your time here. The build isn't super challenging and does not require a lot of skill, but time and patience is essential here. Now that the back side is finished, only thing left to do is to stitch up the back pocket to the main body. And there you have it, a natural leather mini woman's handbag. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on another one.